Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. Pemberton Pens still sells a fountain pen whose sales have slid for years as buyers shift to alternative, though it remained modestly profitable among a small group of loyal customers. Management decided to cancel further product development, cut advertising budget to near zero, and reduce sales support. Basically, we don't want to have to do anything with this, while continuing to sell any existing design to capture as much short-term profit as possible. Which decline stage strategy is this? So we know we're in the decline, but what strategy that is? Is it maintain, harvest, drop, or penetration? First of all, which one can we eliminate? Penetration. Penetration is not in the decline stage. Penetration is in the introduction stage. So we got one out. We still have A, B, and C, maintain, harvest, or drop. Is it maintain? It doesn't look like we want to maintain it. I would say A is out. Is it a drop? Are we dropping it, sell the product line to another firm? No, we don't say anything about selling the product, so that's out. What's left is B, harvest. Harvest is you have a withdrawal discretion spending to maximize short-term cash flow while sales last. So you're trying to milk as much as possible out of this product before it goes away. Therefore, you are in the decline stage, and specifically the strategy, you have three different strategies, is harvest. Remember what I talked about, Apple and the iPod? What happened is for Apple, they simply dropped the iPod. What should you do now? Whether you are a CMA or a CPA candidate, accounting, or a finance student, I strongly suggest you go to Farhat Lectures, look at additional resources, videos, multiple choice, true, false, simulation, exercises, cases, AI. For example, if you're taking this quiz online, you can ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, create a similar MCQ. The best investment you can make is invest in yourself, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.